do, y'all? Bat883 here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, get a bell icon, a nice good old rub down. All right, y'all, we are getting there. So a little bit of what I basically been doing. I'm trying to keep these videos coming to you guys. It's just been a lot going on, but I think I'm working out a way to be able to make sure that I can get y'all some good old content. And you know, in the meantime, basically, just want to show you guys what I've been working on. So got the brakes and everything done. We already got that done. I just gotta go ahead and put the fluid in and everything else like that. I did at first offset the motor, you guys, but I decided to put the motor exactly back where it needed to be. And the only reason I decided on doing that was because I still need to do and figure out this sprocket situation. So I'm going to be working on a custom offset sprocket myself, instead of getting one made, ordered. I have everything that I need here in order to be able to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But now that I got that centered and everything else like that, everything is literally good to go. I just gotta redo my my hoses for the radiator, which is absolutely, I already have everything, just gotta put that on there and everything else like that. Now check this out, you guys. I actually changed the dash on the T-Rex. If you know, the original dash, it was not like this. I decided to change it so that way I can get the radio mounted, you guys. This is the radio that I had on the Bagster, you guys. I decided to keep it when I got rid of the motorcycle. Unfortunately, as you guys can see, when I tried to get it in there, I actually cracked the screen. So it still works, but you know, I'm probably gonna get that replaced, but we'll get that replaced down the road. But anyways, I love the dash, you guys. Check it out. So we take the visor and we put the visor on it. It looks really good, you guys. So this is what it's gonna look like. We'll have the visor on this side, we'll have that one. I like it. I think it came out really good. I did some little bit more painting. I did the tail. I'm supposed to be having the lights coming in today, so that way we can get that fixed up and mounted up and everything else like that. And then the engine cover, I actually did a little bit of customizing with that as far as the color as well. And on the plus side, you guys, we have a package, you guys. What is this? I don't know. I do know what it is, but y'all don't know, but we're gonna find out together. Got my shank in it. Moment of truth, you guys. Put my shank up. Shank. All right, y'all, let's see what we got. What we got, y'all? What we got? Bunch of trash. Bunch of nothing. Oh, yeah. Just what I wanted. Just what I wanted. Yeah. Check that out, you guys. Which way is it supposed to go? How do you even put it on there? They go this way? Go that way? So yeah, anyways, guys, we got a spoiler and we got a nice little lip for the nose. Let's try to get this thing fitted up, see what it looks like. We're going to paint this. This is going to be matching the same type of like chromed out black, but it's supposed to go just like that. That's how it's supposed to fit, y'all. That's how it's supposed to fit, y'all. Look good, though. I like it. I like it. But yeah, that's supposed to go there. And then this nose, I gotta figure that out. So this is supposed to go right on the bottom of that, and we're gonna do the exact same thing with this. This is it. I like that. So we could probably cut those out, put some custom lights in there and everything else. It's pretty good, nice and solid, thick. I like it. I like it. I like it. The rest of the bulbs for the rear tail light will be here today. I'm going to be doing the wiring on that, signal lights, reverse lights, and everything else like that. I'm going to also be getting ready to mock up the reverse for this. Now, you guys, I got an idea. I've been working on the idea of a solid reverse for this project, and I'm thinking of going the route of using the electric reverse, going electric reverse. Let me see, I don't want to damage this thing, but I want to put it up on there and see what it looks like. I'm going to move you back, and then I'm gonna try to just put you on, see what happens. Hopefully I don't drop this thing or break it or nothing. Okay. All right, there we go. Yeah, it's still gonna, I don't wanna, look at that. I don't wanna, you know. It looks good, you guys, so pray to God it don't drop. I'll be so hurt if it drops. But so far it's looking good. I like how that look. Let's see what this lip look like on it. I gotta figure out exactly how to attach this. I'm gonna get in contact with my guy Joseph down at eTune and ask him what's the best way to mount this thing. But for the most part, it's supposed to be just like an easy fit on. I don't know if it's like glued on or if it's like a you know, but yeah, it's supposed to just fit like that. Let me see, can I get some blocks? Ooh, my mama's coming. There we go. Now we're cooking with grease. All right, I think that's pretty much it. So I just gotta figure out a way to seal it on there. But that's pretty much what it looks like, you guys. I like it. I love it, actually. I love it. Love it, love it. Got a little spot right there. I guess that's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I thought it was supposed to be like a little bit more fitted on there. But from the look of it, it doesn't look too bad. It's like a, oh, it's like an air scoop. Okay, I see. It's like an air scoop. So you know what I'm thinking, you guys? I like it. Let me see. I don't know if y'all can really see. So I like it, but what I'm thinking is on this air scoop right here, I might actually take and put some mesh, like some steel mesh right there, just to kind of make it look like a grill. I think that'd be dope because, you know, you can see straight through. We're gonna mesh that out, and we're gonna do that same type of black, that titanium kind of color. This is what the tail looks like, you guys. So this is what the tail looks like, and it's basically gonna have that same color. So it's gonna be this same color with the lights on it and everything else like that. It's gonna look so dope, smoked out. We're gonna put the lights on it. The lights are gonna be smoked out. The brake lights is gonna stay red, but we're gonna smoke out everything else. I think that'll be dope. All right, y'all, this is it though. But yeah, like I said, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update, show y'all what I had going on, everything else like that. We're getting there. We're kind of doing a bit of modifying as well as basically still getting it built out and put together. So we're gonna be getting that mounted up on there. I'm gonna figure out how to get that up mounted on there and everything else like that. But I like it, you guys. I really like it. So until next time, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here. Still got some work to do, still waiting for some parts to come in. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, get a bell icon, a nice good old rub down. I'm about to go ahead and when I come back into the garage, when I get ready to mount these things up and I start working on that sprocket, I'll document that. I want to be able to get it documented, showing how I complete this offset sprocket, you guys. Like I said, y'all, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter at Bat883moto. You already know. Until next time, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Y'all keep a lookout for all these crazies out here. It's a little rainy out, but we still gonna get it done, y'all. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. The flipsies. Deuces.